shown to us, I have perceived four characters. A center character is John, whose age is 22 years and his mood is positive. My action of the story is planning for the ice skating and ice surfing at the Decathlon sports ground. My story is like this. John is an employee in the MNC company and simultaneously he has also interest in the ice skating and ice surfing also. So he come to know about a friendly competition after the 3 weeks in the Poland. So he was native of the Poland also. So he called 3 friends from the Belarus so that they are also aware about the ice skating and ice surfing. And he also know that the money they will earn from the prize he will distribute to the NGO. Then their friends came and John helped by providing basic facilities to them and also told them to buy the safety materials and the safety instruments for the ice skating. They started preparation and at the time of the competition they demonstrate their skill and got the prize and they distribute their prize at the NGO.
My story about Rahul, who is 23 years old, in a positive mood. Action of my story is scout and guide camping in a mountain, near a mountain area. So Rahul went for a scout and guide camp near a mountain area, which was conducted by the scout and guide organization only. So it was the first time that they had their camping near the mountain area. So all their friends had enjoyed very much nature and all the nearby areas of that area because it was the first time they had near the mountain area. All their friends had the wonderful trekking and enjoyed each and every part of their trip.
Well, friends, from the picture shown to us in the morning, I perceived 4 characters. All were male, age group between 20 to 25 years, thinking something constructive for the society. So Ram plays the pivotal role in my story, and the action of my story is occupying Kala Road near Pangong. So Ram was the newly commissioned officer posted at Pangong Lake near the Chinese border. So he was highly concerned about the regular Chinese intrusion in his area, and because of the difficult terrain, he was not able to track them. So he, with his other subordinates, called a meeting and also called the other commandant of the other troops and discussed the topic, and they will all come up with the idea to gain a strategic height to keep an eye over the Chinese side. So basically he marked the areas from where they have to go and occupy the top, and he also take all the required equipment for the journey. He started his journey in the night, and after 13 hours of continuous walking between the difficult terrain, they reached the Kala top, and this will gain them the strategic height to keep an eye over Chinese side, and all were happy by the initiative by Ram, and all applause him. Thank you.
Gentlemen, as I perceived from the picture, I saw 4 characters. All were male, age around 20-25 years. My main character of the story is Ravi, who is newly commissioned at the Gulmarg area, and one day he comes to know that by the villager, one person who went to the graze their sheep from another mountains. He doesn't return back from 2 days. After he told that problem to the CEO. CEO ordered to search that person. He went to the hills and he saw that the shepherd sitting another hill, and the pull who joined the 2 hills was broken. After that, he rescued with his patrolling team, and with the help of rope. After that, he make a report to send the PRO. After that, PRO repaired that pull.
So gentlemen, from the picture I pursue 4 male characters all in positive mood, and the action of the story is learning skiing. So Nikhil is a IT manager in the IT firm in Delhi. So he was fond of traveling to different places and to learn the new things. So in the summer holidays he planned to learn the skiing. He went to Gulmarg, he contacted a skiing instructor there, and then he buy all the required equipments and the medical things for the training. Then he went to the training with his instructor and with his 2 friends. There in 20 days they learn the skiing and they learn the various things of the skiing in the Gulmarg area of Srinagar. And in the day they learn the skills, and in the evening part they went to different places of the Srinagar, like in the Char Chinar and other Mughal gardens of that like Daljeet and various places, and meet the different people of that area. And they, after the 20 days, they came back after learning the things and skiing, and they were happy. Thank you.
From the picture pursued, I have pursued 4 male characters, so from which I taken Rahul as an army person who was in a battleground in Sonmarg, posted in Sonmarg. He was going in a battleground, so he got shot in his leg, by which he was injured. After winning the battleground, the teammates and all took a picture together. The story of the story I gave the name is Capturing a Winner's Moment. So after getting shot on his leg, he was holding a stick and holding his friend and taking the picture to capture the winner's moment. After that, they will, after going off to the battleground, he will go to his home to get a treatment done.
From the picture shown to us, I perceived 4 characters. All of them were male, of age group 23 to 24, in a positive mood. Harsh was a captain in Indian Army and was posted in Srinagar. He was given a task to organize a winter skiing competition in Kufri. For that, he evaluated the venue. With the guidance of the senior, he checked the venue, he collected the sports equipment. Using internet, he gathered the information about the weather conditions to be happening there, and he posted the details on the social media, informed his friends, and got the nominations of the candidates who were about to participate. And after evaluating the complete process, he organized the event very well. Thank you.
Friends, I have recognized 4 characters. 4 characters in this image. My story is based on Spurs. All members are mood positive, and Ramesh is a college student, and he was camping. He was a NCC cadet in our college, and all friends are all cadets are coming in the NCC camps and enjoying and learning to NCC camps. And one day he saw one mountain to injured in this place and help, and he decided to help the mountaining persons, and he helped the mountain person and go to hospitals and all.
Friends, from the picture I perceive 4 characters. All are male and of age group 20 to 25. Their mood is positive. The action of my story is mountain trekking. Mohan is the central character of my story, who is a college graduate student. One day his friends are planning for organizing mountain trekking. Then Mohan has sufficient knowledge about mountain trekking, and he took the charge and decided to go and collect all the necessary accommodation that is used in mountain trekking. And they started his journey and reached the destination place, and they completed her mountain trekking and enjoyed the evening moment of their trekking.
In the given picture, I perceived that there are 4 characters. Mood positive, age 24 to 26 years. My main character story is Rajiv. Mood positive is 24 years. Title of my story is Camping. My story is as follows. Rajiv, along with 2-3 friends, went out for camping to nearby hill. There they already buckled up and started climbing there with a technique of rock climbing. As they were going upwards, one of his friends got his ankle twisted and was unable to move forward. Therefore, Rajiv immediately checked on him, applied on-bed, gave him some painkillers and bandaged it. After that, he, with the help of other friend, took him to a nearby medical center, admitted him there, informed his parents, and waited there till his parents arrived. After a few weeks, when his friend recovered from the injury, they all 3 went up against the same hill and camped there successfully.
Gentlemen, in the picture I perceive there are 4 male characters. All of them seems to be in a positive mood. Ajay is the protagonist of my story, and my story goes like this. Ajay was a manager in the Bosch Jaipur. He had a keen interest to play the golf, but never get the opportunity in the college life. And when he started working in the MNC, he searched for all the friends' contacts on the social media, purchased all the kits which are required for playing the game, and took the membership of the Rambagh Golf Club and invited them on the New Year Eve. They all agreed and sent a message to them that they will attend, and they met on the 31st of the December 2020, and they
enjoyed all the event for the whole day. They click the photograph and make the whole day memorable, and also took the resolution that they will attend at each weekend from the next year. Thank you.
Friends, I have pursued 4 characters in the picture shown to us. The theme of my story is enjoying summer vacation. The hero of my story is Mukesh, age 24 and mood positive. The story which came into my mind I will narrate now. Mukesh is a graduate in summer vacation. He and his friends decided to learn new things, and so they decided that they will go to the hilly areas and do there some new things, like they do their skiing and hide trainer as they had not do it earlier, do mountain climbing and know the cultures of the people, their living style, and explore flora and fauna of there and click some photos also there. So after coming back, they told about their whole journey to their parents and other friends also. Thank you.
Generally, I perceived 4 characters in the picture shown to us. The mood was positive and the age group was between 20 to 26 years of age, and my story goes like this. Manish was a student of IIT Guwahati and pursuing his 3rd year degree in BTech in IIT Guwahati. As the exams of 3rd year was over, he planned to visit Kashmir, as he was fond of travelling and loved adventure and nature. He with his 3 other friends planned to visit there planned a visit for 2 days trip. After a journey of 12 hours, they went to Kashmir via train, and they loved the journey. They went there and they loved the nature and the ice surrounding all the places around. After playing many sports like skiing and ice skating, they captured all the movements in the camera, and after a 2 day trip, they came again with an energetic and fresh mind to start their studies of 4th year.